In today's digital world, AI-powered video creation provides an effective alternative to traditional production methods. We can turn our ideas into videos simply by typing them in a text prompt format. This is known as text-to-video. Alternatively, we can upload our images to an AI to animate them and bring them to life, a process known as image-to-video. Platforms like Haiper, Moonvalley, Genmo, Plaiday, and other AI-powered video and animation tools are revolutionizing how we create and consume content. However, one common frustration among users is the limited duration of AI-generated videos. Many platforms restrict videos to just 4, 6 or 8 seconds, which hinders potential for storytelling and extended ad campaigns. Tired of AI tools that clip your creative wings with short video lengths? You're not alone. We hear you. This tutorial reveals a clever technique to bypass these restrictions and craft captivating, longer videos seamlessly. Imagine crafting commercials or weaving intricate narratives all powered by AI. Rather than clumsy workarounds, this method extends your AI-generated masterpieces smoothly. Stay tuned until the end of Extend AI-generated video duration to unlock AI's full potential for your video productions. It's time to break free and create without limits. In this tutorial, I will first demonstrate the text-to-video and image-to-video generation methods using an AI called Haiper. These processes are very similar across other video and animation production AIs like Pika, Runway, Moonvalley, Genmo, and other active platforms in this field. After covering the basics, I will also teach you the main trick of extending the length of videos. Please stay with me throughout this tutorial. Additionally, this video contains timestamps so you can jump to any part that interests you. When we visit the Haiper AI website, we create a user account, log into the website, and after answering a few questions, we can start using the website's features. At this stage, I want to demonstrate the text-to-video process to you with a practical example. At the top of the website, there's a link to access the main features of this artificial intelligence. I click on Create Video with Text. At the bottom of the website, there's a box to enter a prompt. In this box, we can type our ideas in text form. The more detailed our ideas are, the better the AI will understand our needs and generate a better video. I've already written a prompt, so I paste it in. Next to the text box, there's an icon. I click on it, and a list opens up. In the duration section, there's an option to set the length of the video between 2 and 4 seconds. I choose 4 seconds. A bit further down, there's an option to set the aspect ratio for vertical and horizontal modes. I choose 16:9. Next to the text box, there's also an eye icon. By clicking on it, we can toggle the Create in Public option on or off. This option determines whether the videos we generate with Haiper AI are public or private. I click on the Create button. After a short while, Haiper AI generates a video based on the text prompt. I play the video. At the bottom of the video frame, there's a download button to get the video for free. At the top of the video frame, there's a regenerate button. By clicking on it, newer videos are generated from the current prompt and settings. I click the regenerate button several times. At the time of publishing this video, all features of Haiper are completely free, and there are no limitations on its features. After a short period, new videos are displayed. I can play and download them for free. I review each of them, and if needed, download some of them. After the text-to-video process, I want to demonstrate the image-to-video process to you with a practical example. For this purpose, I click on the Creation Mode option. In this section, I click on Animate Your Image. I am directed to a new page where a text box and a section for uploading an image are provided at the bottom of the site. I click on the Upload Image icon and select the image I want to convert to a video from my hard drive. After a short while, the image is uploaded, and its thumbnail is displayed. In this mode, we need to type our needs and expectations for animating the image in the form of a prompt. This means we need to write how we want the AI to animate the image and specify what we want to happen in the image so that the AI can animate the image accordingly and generate it as a video. I type my needs and expectations in the text box. I click on the settings icon next to the text box. In the drop-down list, I select 4 seconds for the duration in the duration section. I then click on the Create button. After a short time, the AI animates my image based on the text I typed in, which is the prompt, and generates a video. I play the video. The download button is below the video frame, so you can download the video if needed. At the top of each video frame, there's a button called Regenerate. By clicking on it, newer videos are generated based on the image we uploaded and the current prompt and settings. I click the regenerate button several times. Again, I reiterate that at the time of publishing this tutorial, Haiper AI services are completely free, and there are no limitations on its features. After a short period, new videos are generated and displayed. Free download option is available for all videos. I review each of them, and if needed, download some of them. Up to this point in the tutorial, you've learned how to create custom videos using AI with features like text-to-video and image-to-video. The method I've taught you for generating videos is the same across all active AI platforms. However, the key point here is that these videos are short, typically around 4 seconds. In the next section, I'll teach you a trick to bypass this limitation. In this section, I want to demonstrate a practical way to extend the length of videos generated with AI in a step-by-step example. The video you are watching now is 4 seconds long. I downloaded this video and have it on my hard drive. To extend the length of this same video, we need a video editing application like CapCut, which is completely free, or software like Adobe Premiere Pro. I launch Adobe Premiere Pro. I click on New Project and enter a name for the project. I use the Choose Location option to specify where this project will be saved. I click Create to make a new project. In the project panel, I right-click and select Import. I select the video file I want to extend and import it into Premiere Pro. I drag and drop the video file onto the timeline, which creates a sequence based on its settings. I zoom out on the timeline to navigate better. I place the playhead on the last frame of the video. My plan is to take a screenshot of the last frame and input that into the image-to-video process. If an AI generated a new 4-second video using that screenshot, I can then combine the new video with the original. I click the Export Frame button. A new window opens where I enter a name for the screenshot. Using the drop-down, I set the format to JPEG. I use Browse to specify the save location and click OK. Now the screenshot is ready. I return to the Haiper AI website. To convert the screenshot into a video, I click on Creation Mode, then on Animate Your Image. At the bottom of the new page, I click on Upload Image, select and upload the screenshot I created earlier. After a short while, the image is uploaded and its thumbnail is displayed. I type in the ideas I want AI to animate this image with and convert it into a video in the prompt box. I click on the Settings button next to the text box. In the Duration section, I set the duration to 4 seconds, then click Create. After a short while, a new video is generated based on the image. I repeat this process and create many videos using this method. Now I review the videos and select one that is satisfactory, then download it. I created the second video based on the last frame of video number 1, so the two videos are next to each other. I go to Premiere Pro, right-click on the project panel and select Import, then I import the new video into Premiere Pro. I decrease the timeline zoom, and drag and drop the second video after the first one. In this way, the first and second videos are next to and in continuation of each other, effectively making the total video length 8 seconds. With this trick, you can even create much longer videos using AI. To export, I click on the Export button at the top of Premiere Pro menu. A new window opens. I enter a name for the output file, specify the save location. In the preset drop-down list, there are 3 options for high-quality export: 4K, HD 720, HD 1080. I select HD 1080. Please note that the H.264 format should be selected in the format drop-down list. I click the Export button, which exports the video file after a short time. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on extending the length of AI videos. If so, please give the video a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and there are many more AI tutorials on the way. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. The future is AI, so embrace it. See you in the next video.